do like a model of like A, B, C, and D.
Salt Lake Community College offered a financial wellness workshop at the Taylorsville campus. Deseret Credit Union representatives Alan Aragon and Chandler Abercrombie provided a financial wellness workshop to students, staff, and faculty on November 15th. Credit card rates, student and car loans, and card transfers were discussed. Alan Aragon said that loans and credit rates can vary depending on factors like creditworthiness of the individual. Another piece of advice by Representative Alan Aragon was that financial knowledge is the key to achieving financial and personal goals.
So your goals change once you graduate, right? If you're looking for a new car or a new house, you're moving, a new job, whatever it is, having that financial knowledge and that background will empower you to either be able to save better, to budget, to invest, whatever it is that you want to do. Is having that knowledge is what's going to get you to where you want to be and actually help you accomplish your financial goals as well as your personal ones.
Ways to start building your credit, how to check your credit, FICO scores, and how to improve them were explored. To enhance your credit scores, make sure to pay your bills on time and in full. Chandler Abercrombie emphasized that this shows responsible credit behavior and can positively impact your credit history. He also explained that starting early on financial planning is always better.
It's never too early to get started, mostly because what you can do now will be exponential later. So like if you can start fixing it now, start doing good now, by the end of like your life, by the end that you want to get a car, you will be way better spot than the person who starts later than this.
Additionally, regular payments on your credit card balances can help improve your scores. Once a year, an individual can request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The representatives explained that it's important to review your credit report regularly to ensure its accuracy and to identify any errors. These topics are important considerations for individuals managing their finances and seeking to make informed decisions about borrowing and managing debt. The attendees immersed the representatives with questions and interaction on the topics. Pizza and soda were provided along with free swag and door prizes to the 15 attendees. Alan Aragon said that if the response to the workshop was positive, they would like to come back.